In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Semrush history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the record of your past searches and reports, so you can retrace work, confirm usage, or share references with your team. Start on your Semrush dashboard while you're signed in. This is the home base where you'll see your projects, recent tools, and navigation. From here, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. This might look like your initials, an avatar, or a small user image. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu gives you access to personal and billing details, but what we want is the area that controls your account settings. Choose My Profile from that menu. Semrush will open your account profile page, which may load for a few seconds depending on your connection and how many items are tied to your account. If it takes a moment, that's normal. Avoid refreshing so you don't interrupt the load. Once the profile page is fully visible, look for the section labeled Query Log. This is where Semrush keeps a history of the queries and requests you've made across its tools. Open the query log and you'll see entries that typically include what you searched or analyzed, the date and time, and the tool or area of the platform that generated the request. This view is especially helpful if you want to reconstruct an analysis, verify when you pulled a specific report, or check how your team has been using credits. Take a moment to scan the list and get comfortable with how it's organized. Many accounts display the most recent activity at the top, which makes quick backtracking easy. If you notice options to refine what you see, such as narrowing by date range or tool, those can make it faster to locate the exact query you're after. Use the details column or timestamps to cross-reference with your notes or project timelines. If you don't immediately see the query log, make sure the profile page is fully loaded and that you're in the correct account, especially if you work with multiple workspaces. Screen zoom can sometimes hide tabs on smaller displays, so reducing zoom just a bit can bring hidden items back into view. Also keep in mind that permissions and plan levels can affect what you see. That's it. From your Semrush dashboard, open your profile, head to My Profile, then view the query log to find your complete history. Revisit it anytime you need to verify a past search, retrace steps, or maintain a clear audit trail of your research.